All right, people, make a little dinner for the family. Let me tell you, my daughter loves this meal. A little bit of rice, regular hamburger, ground beef, ground it up, and marinate that thing in the gravy. Gotta have the gravy. Gotta have that savory beef, baby. 2 cans, 2 cans. Got my vegetables in there toasting. That's how we do, baby. String beans toasted. And you gotta have the honey butter grandma biscuits. You put that honey butter up in there, and you gotta melt the butter in there. All right, people, let me show you what I really got cooking. All right, people, listen, don't judge me, all right? Listen, I know I got a problem. The first thing with addiction is admitting you got a problem. And I'm working on my problem, I am, but it won't be today. So let's take a look at what we're working with. Another boy, another one. I wanted this engine. This is the K302. Alright, and I got the combo set with the pipe and manifolds, the combo one. But alright, let me give you some history first. You know, they came out with the K5 first, and then they came out with the K3. K3 is a 3-port square engine, meaning the bore, the opening, the bore, and the stroke is the same. I think it's 16.440 millimeters, 16.40 millimeters, stroke and bore. So the first one they came out with was the K3. Okay, good engine, no problem. As far as the 3 ports, all right. Then later they came out with the they improved on the K3 with the K301. Same thing, just a little bit of updates, carburetor, stuff like that. But it still came with the ceramic bearings, Swiss ceramic bearings, Japanese front, DLC coated crank. Same deal. All right, so that's a little history for you. Now, this particular one is the K302. All right, same bore, square engine, but a little different. All right, so let's open this puppy up here, people. Use my X-Acto knife there. All right, let's see what we're working with here, people. All right, let's get this puppy out. All right, got another seal here. All right. Nice. All right, let's put this to the side for a second. Let's get down to what we here for. All right. Let me make sure y'all in focus. Okay, cool. All right. Got another seal. All right. You already know how they do their packaging, people. Come with the book. Slide that to the side for a second. They all come with, like a certificate, birth certificate, whatever you want to call it. Certificate of authenticity. Yeah, I'll get that in there. With your serial number and all that. I ain't gonna go through the book. You already know what the book about. But this particular engine, I'm gonna show you, has the super low G head, as you can see from the picture there. Yeah, same deal as the K5, with the book, how it's made and all that. Y'all remember all that, right? We ain't gotta get into all that. Y'all remember that, how it's made. All right. Some stickers, of course. All right, we ain't gonna get into all that. You already know what that's about. All right. Put that to the side. Alright, make sure y'all in this thing here. Okay, cool. There she is, baby. First off the bat. Alright, this one they give you a head shim after breaking. Let me zoom in, make sure so y'all can get all that goodness. I try to get everything. Alright, yeah, there y'all go. Okay, so they give you a head shim. you put in after, I guess, after breaking or whatever. So that's pretty nice. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Venturi. And remember, like I told y'all, the Nova Rossi Venturis fit in this motor. They actually give you a what is this? A 6.5. Oh, usually come with a 7, but okay, they give you 6.5. But you know, if I want to put a 7 in, I got 7s. All right. Now you know that velvet, baby. That's velvet. All right, let's take a look at this beauty. Slip that to the side. Whew. Look at that gem there, y'all. Make sure y'all all up in there. I want to make sure y'all all up in there. Yeah. Look at that gem there. She look good, people. She look real good. She look real good. Carburetor, smooth as butter. Long needle too. And man, she look good. I must have seen a nipple because I'm drooling. Comes with the glow plug. These are the X3s that effects come with. X3 is basically like a P3. And super low G head. It will be better for balancing the car in jumps. Only thing with these heads I don't really like is that your head warmer doesn't fit over it. Alright, because the head is wider. Alright. And you have to cut the hole out a little bigger in your body. Alright, for the super low G heads. Also, when you temping these, if you temp it, it's going to read hotter because your temp gun is getting closer to the glow plug. So you gotta like remember that, like to temp like off the sides or something. I mean, if you go directly on, you're gonna be reading a really high temperature. You thinking like, oh my God, I'm burning up my engine, but you're really not. It's just that because it moved closer. I can show you, move closer to the head, close to where the chamber's at. So this is normal head. This is the K3. Y'all can see that. Beautiful. All right, let's check out this pipe. All right. Show y'all in focus. Yeah, y'all good. All right. All right, so let's take out this packaging. All right, to the side you go. All right, this manifold here, it comes with everything you need. Your exhaust springs, your two long springs, and your 3 short boys with your exhaust gasket. And this is the medium header, the effects medium header, M. All right, y'all can see that number. The part number, if you're interested in this header, is 659704, and that's M, medium. All right, now let's take a look at this beauty. This looks like 2090 OS, just like it. This is the 2131. All right, it looks just like a 2090 OS. Now, people, let me make sure y'all in focus. Pay attention. See how nice that is? That'd be the last time you see this sucker like this. You already know how I do. You already know how I do. So, pay attention. 2131. Now, I'm not sure of the specs on this pipe as far as like what it does. It's a new pipe. I don't know. I wanted to try it, so I don't really know. But I got the whole lineup. I got the 2100, which is more of a top end pipe, and also got the 2108, which is more of a bottom end pipe. Actually, that 2108, I'm gonna run on that K501, and this one I'm gonna run on this. All of them is with the medium headers. All right, this pipe, the walls on it is really thick too. I like that. On the Stinger, really thick and nice. Really good. Let's open this up real quick. So you get your 2 long springs. Of course, your little gaskets. I don't need to. Y'all know what that look like. All right. Nice. I'm gonna tell you though, this header doesn't look like the old header. I think this is hold on, let me see something here. Hold on one second. Yeah, box. Okay. This is the okay. Yeah. I got the I just wish I had the old. Alright, let me see something. I'm gonna have to dig it out, but I ain't gonna talk about it. But the older headers, maybe because it's so shiny, that's probably what it is. It looks really shiny, and I ain't used to seeing that, you know what I mean? But that's it. Alright, people, so y'all wanna take it apart? Why not? I will take it apart, but I don't have time right now. I gotta really go do something. But I'll tell you what, I'll do another video of this, taking this apart, and we'll take a look inside, alright? Alright, good people. That's it. Just wanted to show y'all that. Alright, people, so that's the K302 by Effects. Alright, people, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.